Hey, this is Rod from RamCity, and today I'm going to be doing a RAM upgrade from 4 GB to 8 GB in this Dell Vostro 1520. Now, I've recently upgraded this machine with Windows 7 64-bit, and I've got 4 GB of RAM currently, so I'm upgrading to 8, looking to get a big boost in performance. As usual, we'll need an anti-static mat to keep everything electrostatic free, the wrist strap, ESD safe wrist strap, a PH00 screwdriver, which I've taken out of my iFixit 54-bit driver kit. This is quite an old laptop, so these two 4 GB DDR2 800 upgrades is what we'll need to upgrade this machine to 8 GB of RAM. To get started, you'll need to power the machine off. That's the first thing. Flip the machine over. First thing I'm going to do is, in this machine it's easy to remove the battery, so wherever it's easy to remove, it's always a good idea to take the battery out before you do any work internally on the machine. So there's a locking mechanism just here that allows us to remove the battery, so that's the battery out. And now we need to get access to the RAM upgrade panel, which is these two screws here. So I'm just going to take these two screws out. Once these screws are out, and there's a little bit of gentle persuasion, you can get this access panel out. So to remove the old modules, using the ends of your fingers, hopefully you've got the fingernails, you can just pry these two clips on the end apart, and then just grip it gently by the corners and wiggle it out. Repeat the procedure with the bottom module. Pull the clips apart, the module pops up. So now we need to put the new modules in. There's a guide slot on this module, or just a slot, which matches with the guide that's in the memory slot. So as long as we line those up, it's pretty hard to go wrong. So the module goes in at a 45-degree angle and then push down. Once again, line the slot up with the guide, wriggle it in, 45-degree angle, push down firmly, clip, and you're done. Put the access panel back on again. Put the battery back in. And we can power the machine back on. And we can see here that we've now got 8 GB of installed physical RAM. Happy days. So that's the upgrade complete on this Dell Vostro 1520, and you can pick up all the upgrades and tools that we spoke about today at ramcity.com.au. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. A little bit of a smile. Yeah.
And thanks for watching.
You got it.
Okay.